Oh boy, this thing is pretty neat. I got this little battery powered chainsaw, 18 volt, on Craigslist, real cheap. And the reason is because the battery was shot. The guy only had it about a year, and he drained the battery down and didn't charge it back up again. And these lithium ion batteries, they don't like that. They like to have some charge on them. But anyway, they're expensive for these, to buy the name brand batteries. But what I did was I went to my local hobby shop, and I got these. I took all the, had one of these nickel cadmium or whatever they are battery packs. Took it apart and yanked the batteries out, and I got these hobby shop lithium ion batteries. And man, I'm telling you, these model airplaners, I think these were like, I bought 2 of them, put them together. They only came to 14 volts, but they got so much power and such a low resistance, internal resistance, that you don't need the full 18 volts, and it runs fine in there. But you do need a special charger, and but these are reasonably priced too. I think the hobby shop special, I think I got that for $20-some, and that's pretty neat. It's got a indicator, a little report indicator on it, and it only takes about a half hour to charge up these batteries. They get all nice and balanced and everything. They got a balance input. But anyway, this chainsaw is so neat. I've been having trouble with the gas powered chainsaw with the darn thing. The new gas they got. How am I going to do this with one hand here? I need a tripod, I guess. Let's see. Push that in there. And, hey, get focused here, will you? But man, I'm telling you, the 5 amp hour little hobby batteries there, man, I used this thing all afternoon once, and came back and still had pretty good charge left on it. And I had more brush than I could pick up than what I could cut almost. So works pretty neat. I'll show you more in a minute here. I'll shut this off. So anyway, I got this little electric chainsaw, and I got this big mess behind my storage sheds here, and it's like a 6-inch tree there, just growing crazy and trying to wreck my sheds. So started in working, and still got plenty of battery power left. Perfect for these little jobs. Trying to use the big chainsaw on there with that new ethanol gas is just a pain. So I'll give you a little demo here in a few minutes. Oh, another nice thing about this, it doesn't blow your eardrums out, which I like. Okay, here we go. Your history, boy. Gotta get in here first. Timber. Yeah, baby. How about this one? Timber. Now what's the problem here? Zoom up here. like I say, it can make more, got more work. Maybe works. Hey, how about these guys? Oh, now for a big mover. Hey. Oh, bubble. Oh, baby. Oh, man. Enough the nuts back here. Come on, baby. Look out now. Oh, baby. Branches are wrecking. I gotta get a ladder and climb up there. But anyway, you get the idea, I guess. Plus, light in the feather. So it's pretty nice. I like it. Here, shut them off.